Welcome back. I'm Pooja Upadhyay from Department of Advanced Management Studies, GS College of Commerce, Wardha. In my previous video sessions, we have introduced with the concept of e-commerce. We have seen its evolution, its different types and revenue models. In this video session, we are going to discuss the advantages of e-commerce companies from the point of view of companies or business, customers and society. So let's start. We will discuss very first the advantages of e-commerce company from the perspective of companies or businesses. The very first advantage is it's very cost efficient, that is low financial cost. If you are opening a physical retail shop, then you have to pay thousands of rupees as a rent for that shop. Then you have to make inventory management and you have to store that inventory in warehouses. After that, you have to hire various salesperson for selling that products in your physical shop. So collectively, if you are opening a retail physical shop, then you have to invest lakhs of rupees for that. Whereas in case of digital marketing or in case of e-commerce companies, you have to pay simply for starting your own website for your own company. Then you have to pay or invest for digital marketing to promote your products and services. If we see in the session of different revenue models, we have seen the example of drop shipping model. In that, you simply have to open website and make digital marketing. You don't need to make inventory management, or you don't need to store that inventory in particular website in warehouses, etc. So here we get the very important advantage of e-commerce companies is they have to pay very low cost or invest very low money as compared to physical retailing shops. Now, the next advantage is its speed and flexibility. If you are continuously watching my all the videos on digital marketing and social media marketing and e-commerce, and you are exciting to start your own e-commerce companies, then I assure that if you have computer, internet connection or laptop, then you can start your own e-commerce company in just 2 to 3 days. Yes, it is reality, because I have already discussed that you simply need to make a website for your company and make digital marketing. So this is the advantage of e-commerce, that very speedily you can start your own business. Talking about the flexibility, with the trends, if you realize that you should add new product ranges in your e-commerce company or on your website, then you can add these all new products very easily just by making some changes in your website. Whether in case of physical retailing, it's very different. You have to make detailed research, then you have to realize that whether there is a space for storing that all new ranges of product in your store or not, or otherwise you have to take new shop for introducing that ranges of products. So this is the advantage, that e-commerce is very speedy and flexible. It provides flexibility for different products and services. The next one is no geographical boundaries. Physical retail shop situated in particular city at particular place can attract the customers of that local areas. Whereas in case of e-commerce, it is not limited by boundaries. You can sell the product internationally or all over the country. So this is the advantage, that you can establish your brand. If you are dreaming for establishing your international brand, so you can do this very easily with the help of e-commerce. The next is it keeps an eye on buyer's habit. I have already discussed in the session while we are seeing the significances of digital marketing that with the use of digital marketing, marketer can watch or keep an eye on the activities of their prospective customers. Same happen in case of e-commerce, because most of the e-commerce businesses make the marketing of their products and services with the use of digital marketing. So here e-commerce companies can keep an eye on the activities of customers. They identify the recent trends in the market. They can personally communicate with their customers, send them notifications, and know their interest, so that they can provide a suitable product or services to their customers. So this is also one of the important advantages of e-commerce. The next is best use of technology. We all know that e-commerce is completely based on technology. So here e-commerce companies are taking the advantages of technology. As in this point we have seen that they are keeping an eye on the buyer's activity, they are personally communicating with the customers, they are marketing their products and services digitally, they are making online transactions with the use of technology. Everything goes digitally, and they are using very effective, they are utilizing effectively technology very effectively. So this is the advantage that e-commerce companies are using technology very efficiently. The next is retargeting customers. When any customer buy a particular product or avail particular service from e-commerce platform, then he or she shares his personal information on that platform or on that website. So companies store that information in its server, and as per the requirement they communicate with their customers, they market their product, they send notifications and mails to the customers, offer them various offers, and provide them coupons, etc. This all possible in case of e-commerce. Overall they are retargeting their customers, and they are making effective customer relationship management. The next one is quick and affordable marketing. As I also already said that e-commerce companies uses digital marketing. So here it is the advantage that e-commerce companies make quick and affordable marketing. In previous video session of again significances of digital marketing, we have seen that digital marketing is more cost friendly than that of traditional forms of marketing, and here e-commerce companies are also using digital marketing. So they are gaining the significances of digital marketing for promoting their products or services. Then next is scalability. You might have observed that many a times when a physical retail shop declares end of season sale or festival sale, then it has to face huge crowd of customers, and servicing that huge crowd becomes very difficult for that physical retailer. Whereas in case of e-commerce companies, in the period of sale, end of season sale or festival season sale, they can handle each and every customer very effectively, it doesn't matter how much customers are simultaneously finding particular product or services, they behaves with each and every customer equally. So e-commerce companies get the advantage of scalability. Now, the last advantage from the perspective of companies is effective customer services. We have already seen that e-commerce companies keep an eye on buyers' habit. They use effective technology. They make quick and affordable marketing. So, by this all, they can establish a successful customer relationship management. They can provide effective customer services and establish their brand equity very easily. So these are all the advantages from the perspective of companies. Now we will see the advantages of e-commerce companies from the perspective of we customers. The very first is e-commerce companies speeds up the buying procedure. If you are planning to shop particular thing from the market, then you have to find out the time from your busy schedule, then spend huge amount of time in market for searching particular product or service. Whereas in case of e-commerce or on e-commerce website, just by sitting at home or at your office, you can find various products. You can compare that product very easily, get description of that products and make shopping. So e-commerce companies basically speeding up the buying procedure of customers. So this is one of the important advantages from the perspective of customers. The next advantage is it provides wide range of products and services. As e-commerce companies do not require to maintain the inventory or to store that all inventories in warehouses, or they do not carries any physical shop. So here they can market various ranges of products from local areas or international products very easily. So here customers are getting wide range of products and services on the same platform. So this is the advantage of e-commerce company. The next is it provides a comprehensive description of product. We know that in case of e-commerce companies or making online shopping, you cannot physically experience the product. But e-commerce companies provides detailed description of the product. It gives its specification. Then it also provides the reviews of existing customers. This all here the customers are getting the overall description of the product, though they do not make contact with that product physically, but still they are experiencing that product with the use of effective description of product. So this is the advantage of e-commerce company from the perspective of customer. Now the next and the most important advantage of e-commerce companies from the perspective of customer is it saves money. So whatever cost acquired by the businesses in paying commission to the middleman, or making decoration of their physical stores, or maintaining stocks or inventory at warehouses, that all cost finally comes to the customers. They have to pay the commission of middleman, or pay the rent of the warehouses and all. But it completely eliminated in case of e-commerce, as they do not store inventory, or all the ranges, all the variety of middlemen are directly eliminated in e-commerce. So here in case of e-commerce, customers are getting particular product at very low cost. There is one more reason due to which customers are getting cost profit or less price, that in order to compete with competitors, e-commerce companies reduces the actual price of products to attract the pool of customers. So its whole profit finally comes to the customer and they can save their money. So, and the last advantage of e-commerce is, from the perspective of customer, is easy to compare and find reviews. We have seen that e-commerce companies are completely technological based. So by using technology, they can compare different products available on their website very easily, and by comparing that all products, customers can easily identify what product they can buy from that site. Also, e-commerce companies share the reviews of customers. Means if there is one customer who has already buy particular product from that website, so that customer is sharing his review related to that product, and that review is visible to the another potential customers before buying that same product. So here customers come to know that the product, how's the product, and the reason behind grading that product. So this is the important advantage. So these are all the 5 different advantage of e-commerce company from the perspective of customer. So now let's switch the advantages of e-commerce companies from the perspective of society. The very first advantage is it provides job opportunity. There are so many e-commerce companies like Naukri.com or Indeed. They are actually e-commerce companies, but they are bridging the gap between job seekers and job providers. So it provides job opportunity to the job seekers. Also, we have observed in the lockdown period of due to pandemic that there are so many employees who are working from home even in the period of lockdown, and this is possible just because of e-commerce companies. So e-commerce companies plays very important role. It provides job opportunity, so it is very beneficial for society. The next advantage for society is it promotes cordial relationship. With the use of e-commerce companies, one can send a particular gift or greeting cards to his relatives or friends, whether he is in different country or far from his home. So this is promoting the cordial relationship between them. So from the point of view of society, it matters a lot to develop cordial relationship between people. The next advantage is it provides entertainment. There are so many e-commerce companies which are providing entertainment online. We know the concept of OTT, over the top platforms like Netflix, then Amazon Prime. These all are entertaining people at their home. So e-commerce companies plays important role for providing entertainment to the society. Now, after that, the another advantage is it offers eco-friendly services. In physical retail shops, the shopkeeper provides a bill on paper and various brochures and all physically, but in case of digital marketing, this all available digitally, virtually. Means you are getting the invoice of the product in the form of PDF or in virtual format, the description of the product virtually, they make marketing of the product or service virtually. So here is very less wastage of paper and less wastage of various resources, which plays important role for environment. So e-commerce companies offers eco-friendly services. The next and the last one is it facilitates online education. This is the most important advantage of e-commerce company from the perspective of society. With the use of online education, a person or a student can take international knowledge at very low cost. They understand different concepts. They can take admission. They interact with top management schools or top level colleges virtually. They are getting knowledge of different subjects very easily by using these e-commerce companies like EDX, Swayam are the various platforms which are providing these services to the society. So these are all the various advantages of e-commerce companies from the perspective of companies, customers and society. I hope you understand this all and you are able to compare these all advantages with the real life situation. In the next video lecture, we will see the disadvantages of e-commerce company. Till then, be safe and keep learning. Thank you.